part of the story in this one tonight. 5-0 in his last 5 starts, though. From your seat, he has been incredibly dominant. Has there been one thing in particular that has stood out to you about his dominance the last stretch?
No, he continues, like, when you think he's done more than you can expect, he does it again. So tonight was just another example of it. From the first inning on, you can see him getting stronger, and he just continued to do it all night.
Is that kind of part of his thing? I mean, the ERA in the first inning is maybe, if there's any issues, has been the bit of the hiccup. Does he just get stronger as the game goes on?
That was your word, not mine. No, I just think when guys come out, guys of his caliber, if you don't get to them early, I think traditionally they get stronger as the game goes on, and he certainly did and has. So it was good to see it.
As far as the offense, nice to see that 3-run rally there in the 5th. What'd you like about the at-bats in this one?
I liked a lot about the at-bats. All the way up and down the lineup, we had guys who were, sacrificing themselves, VRs diving all over the place, putting the ball in play. I think we've talked endlessly about strikeouts and contact and the different things. I don't think we did anything different. I think we just had better at-bats.
Ohtani's really able to make those in-game adjustments. What does that say about his maturity and his awareness?
Yeah, I mean, his acumen for the game is as good as anybody I've ever seen, been around, been a part of. And his ability, like you said, on the fly to be able to make adjustments. He knows his body better than anybody I've been around. So he knows when his fingernail's not feeling good. So he can go ahead and make an adjustment better than anyone.
His last 5 starts have been like an even better than before that. Have you noticed anything different?
From my perspective, no, other than the dominance. Yeah, I mean, he just goes out pitch to pitch. He has that unique ability to focus a little bit tighter than most.
Can you tell us anything about Reed Detmers tonight?
Nothing other than I think that he'll be with us in Baltimore. I think he's going to be on the taxi with us up there. And as far as anything beyond that, I don't have any information yet.
So Shohei became the first player to have 10 strikeouts as a pitcher, 2 RBI, and a stolen base. I know it's kind of these things keep happening whenever he's out there, kind of expecting more of them each time that he goes out there.
Yeah, there can't be many left, right? I mean, he has most of them, if not all of them by now. Yeah, he competes at everything, and he's relentless. You can't quench his thirst for what he does. It's really fun to watch.
Having a guy like that who's so fun to watch, does that kind of bring a little bit of life or joie de vivre to the team?
I think so. I think the guys appreciate what he does. Just, when you see that caliber performance over and over again, you can't help but be, attracted to it. So I think the guys in the bench kind of get caught watching at times too and laugh.